Hi everyone and welcome in. We are going to do a really fun little project today, and what I'm going to work with are these strands of ribbon, and then I'm going to glue down these really cute cards that were in this digital kit. The first one says Christmas on the Beach, and the next one is Warmest Wishes, and I'm just kind of looking at it to make sure it's going to fit on one of the pages. And then I just want to add a little bit of this fringe. I think this is so cute on here. And I just kind of wanted to use some of the ribbon in a more creative way and actually be able to see it out the bottom. So what I'm going to do here is just add a little bit of this tassel trim on each one of these cards. And then I'm going to glue these down and make kind of a pocket is what I plan to do. So it's kind of like a ribbon belly band with pockets. Now I'm just going to make these look kind of frayed at the ends, and I'm just using a Cricut tool here to do that. And I just like, it just adds a little something, and there it is. I think that looks cute poking out the bottom. Here it is in the journal, and we've got two really fun creative tuck spots. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and thanks you guys for watching.